so scared. I don't got Shaggy with me. Damn me, Shaggy, Fred, I can't see a thing without my glasses. Oh no. Jinkies. Oh! Back at it with another video with my girl Becky with a good head. She's probably only going to be there for a little bit longer with us. But I figured this could be just a chat video. I actually got this outfit from Amazon. This to this. I'm actually going to make more Halloween videos. I was actually going to do this like haunted house. Like, because we actually have a haunted house right now. For the festival that I told you guys about in the last video. I just realized I got these socks so dirty. But it's okay. Because I was pretending to lose my glasses. But I love Halloween, if you haven't noticed, from my entire, I guess, DIYs and Halloween videos and doing everything. Like, I love Halloween. Like, there's just something about it that like makes me like, I can be whoever I want to be. I can change my face. I actually will insert some clips to show you what I was the last couple of years of just like me painting. Because like honestly, like every single time I love like doing my makeup differently, doing like a different outfit, like, and if there's a theme, best believe I'm going to be on it, because who doesn't love dressing up? Who doesn't love just like, you know, changing up your look and not being who you are? I mean, you could be who you are all the time, but like freaking, you know, like disappear for a little bit. You know, because if I went out like this, I'm sure like the only way you'd be able to tell, because like Velma doesn't have big boobs like that. I mean, like, I don't know, like in the show it didn't really show anything like that. Ah, I'm sorry. I'm getting slap happy. I'm a little bit tired. I worked today. And trying to basically reinvent the wheel, but like, yeah, it was a good day all in all. But yeah, I'm gonna insert some clips of what I did for my past makeups of like just Halloween, because like I love, like, the Crow is probably like my go-to, because like you can literally have like dirty, greasy looking hair and just like, you know, I don't know if you've ever seen The Crow. Not the, I mean, like, I still haven't seen the remake, but like when it comes to watching remakes, it's kind of hard to just watch a remake, you know, like, I don't know. Like, the only remake I probably ever liked was Parent Trap, and that's saying something, because that was still many years ago. Like, yo, like, it's hard to like remakes. It really is. I legit thought I heard something. I hope the camera picked it up, because that was weird as fuck. Oops. I'm gonna have to lower that out, like, but what? That was crazy. But anyways, yeah, I'll probably show the haunted house and the garden like in another video, because I do have like this my Snapchat avatar. I actually am DIYing that currently as we speak. So like it should definitely be up for sure before Halloween. I'm just gonna say that. Like I'm gonna try to do like the last week of like the next couple of days plus up into Halloween. And honestly, Dila de los Muertos, like I'm trying to do like something like every single day for that entire just, you know, to help people out. Like if someone needs inspiration, you know, let me inspire you. But I'll link everything down below of where I got all my outfits. And yeah, I hope you stay tuned for more videos. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay hydrated. Bye. Becky with the good head. She the best. Alright. I hope you like this, again, this video of just impromptu being Velma. Alright, bye. Have an amazing night and day and whenever you watch this.